Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come. In 3, 2, 1. Bye. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name's Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. Yes, the greatest show in the multiverse. Greatest in the daggone multiverse. We have a great one for you today. All right. We have a cute little show today. You know, it's a Saturday show, so it's not all hardcore. It's just kind of stuff that makes you go, interesting. All right, so the first thing that made me say, interesting this week was that the United Kingdom Post Office is allowing Bitcoin purchases through its app. I thought that was pretty neat, so we're going to check that out. Bang. And then I guess we get a little bit more serious now. Franklin Templeton, $1.5 trillion asset manager. They say they're eyeing crypto. We're going to check about that. And then, finally, Coinbase says that investors want more than just Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. They're demanding it. So we're going to check about that, finally. And then the shout-outs to Daily Summary as usual. So let's proceed how we proceed with a bang. Then we head on over here with a look. Bang. Let me do a little bit of refresh. Bang, price of Bitcoin, $47,284. When I left you yesterday, we were at, $47,930. So we've gone down. $646. $646 down. All right, then. Let's look at the top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. Daggone usual suspects. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, Tether, XRP, Solana, Polkadot, Dogecoin, and USD Coin. Let's see what the market moves are. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. Mostly blood red today. Single digits up, single digits down. Oh, look at Cosmos, 10% up. All right. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Look at Phantom, bucking the trend. Single digits up, single digits down. 2 single digits up, single digits down. All right. Let's do lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Top 10 losers: EOS, Solana, Thorchain, Elrond, IOTA, Hedera Hashgraph, Harmony, Icon, Telcoin, and Perpetual Protocol. Let's see who made money today. All right, some decent gains up in here. All right, top 10 gainers: Celo, Audius, Phantom, Near Protocol, OMG Network, Cosmos, Curve DAO Token, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin SV, and Synthetics. Now, you guys know on the weekly wrap-up show, we do who made the most and lost the most for the week. So let's see who lost the most money this week. But top 10 losers of the week: Harmony, Arweave, FTX Token, Algorand, Elrond, Terra, MDX, Wave, Solana, and The Graph. Let's see who made the most money this week. Bang! Top 10 gainers of the week: Audius, Curve DAO Token, Cosmos, Celo, Shiba Inu, Synthetics, Avalanche, Pancake Swap, Near Protocol, and Horizon. All right, let's look at the total market cap. Look, total market cap is, we're still just barely hanging on to 2 trillion. Total market cap is 2.093 trillion. When I left you yesterday, we're at 2.189 trillion, so we've gone down 0.096 trillion dollars. Let's see what the 24-hour volume is. All right, 24-hour volume is $82.8 billion. When I left you yesterday, we're at $90.2 billion, so we've gone down. Let's just call that $8 billion and keep it moving. Down $8 billion. All right, around $8 billion. You know what I'm saying? 8 billion-ish. All right, let's get to the stories. Bang, UK Post Office now allows users to purchase Bitcoin through its app. So I just thought this was kind of neat. Post Office, allowing you to buy stuff through your app, Bitcoin through the app. So, hold on, dang on. I knew something felt strange. All right, so let's check it out. Bitcoin adoption is indeed ramping up in recent months. From retail outlets announcing users can check out using their Bitcoin to El Salvador officially accepting Bitcoin as a legal tender, there is no doubt that Bitcoin is headed for the mainstream adoption. All right. Let's get a sip. Coming hot on the heels of recent news of adoption is a peculiar situation with the UK Post Office. That's what I thought about this. Just it's a little peculiar. Post Office. A report from the Telegraph said that the Post Office was allowing the purchase of Bitcoin through a new partnership. Swarm Markets, a German-based and regulated crypto exchange, entered into this partnership with the UK Post Office. It will allow users that have verified their identities through the Post Office Easy ID app to directly access and purchase cryptocurrencies from Swarm's websites. Of course, the Germans are a part of it. It's the Germans. Users will be able to purchase cryptocurrency vouchers with just a few clicks, which they can then go on to redeem for cryptos like Bitcoin. This has worried financial market experts who have warned that cryptocurrencies are very risky to invest in. Thus, users should be presented with a clear and concise warning when they are purchasing them. Concerns were also raised about associating assets as volatile as cryptocurrencies with the post office. So when people buy cryptocurrencies, they should be sold with a very clear wealth warning that you could get back a lot less than you purchased it. Like a stock, isn't it? Who gives a fuck? It's one thing buying a crypto online via an investment platform, is that's what the audience expects. But you don't associate this with the post office. That's true. You don't associate buying crypto with the post office. Whatever. Swarm Markets believes that this partnership will make it easier for people to get started in crypto. By making it easier and safe to buy real Bitcoin and Ethereum, most people now have the option to get started in crypto, said Philip Piper, co-founder of Swarm Markets. Buying Bitcoin in the UK. Just like any other region, there are numerous ways available for residents to purchase Bitcoin in the UK. Exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Gemini are already operating and offering these services to UK residents, along with a host of other crypto exchanges. Last month, payments giant PayPal announced that it was now expanding its crypto options to UK citizens. Users are not able to buy, sell, and store Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in their PayPal accounts. Users are now able to, is what that should say. Users are now able to buy, sell, and store Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in their PayPal accounts. Although the checkout with crypto feature, which was made available to U.S. users, was not included in this rollout. Nevertheless, this presented a new way for customers to get exposure to crypto, with PayPal allowing users to purchase as low as £1 worth of crypto. So, speaking on the partnership with Swarm Markets, a spokesperson for the UK Post Office said, access to products and services are increasingly moving online, and we've responded to the shift by launching our free-to-use app, Post Office Easy ID, allowing people to build their own secure digital identity on their smartphone and enabling them to easily control and prove who they are to whichever business they want to interact with. The UK Post Office will not receive a commission on the Bitcoin and crypto bought through the Easy ID app on Swarm Markets. But Swarm Market is paying the post office for the usage of its ID verification software. All right, so there you go. So, bang. So, like I said, just something that was like, the post office, what the hell? All right, so there it is. You guys over there in the UK, if you're out for a stroll, stop by your local post office and grab yourself some crypto. That's pretty cool. All right, let's move on. Bang. What do we got here? All right, now we're getting more serious. $1.5 trillion asset manager, Franklin Templeton, eyes crypto with latest filing. And so I'm sure you've all heard of Franklin Templeton. They're pretty mega. They're up there with the Fidelities of the world. Obviously, $1.5 trillion. Yeah, I mean, not quite Fidelity level, but they're up there. They're up there. Anything over $1 trillion and, you're in the big leagues. Right? And so, here comes Franklin Templeton. So, again, just another example of another big brand name coming into this crypto space. They're all positioning themselves. They're all getting ready for when there's full regulatory clarity and they can go all out, That's no joke, right? All the biggest names. You name me a name, I bet you they're into crypto somehow. Well, it's not like 2018 when they were all calling it a scam, and I think, what's his name? Warren Buffett, he called it rat poison. Well, how times have changed. How times have changed. All right, so let's check out what Franklin Templeton is up to. So the crypto space is seeing a paradigm shift, with more legacy-backed financial institutions gradually transitioning into the blockchain industry. The latest is American multinational holding company Franklin Resources, Inc. $20 million total value for pooled venture fund. So according to a Wednesday filing with the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, the investment firm plans to raise $20 million for its venture capital fund, dubbed the Franklin Templeton, Blockchain Fund 1, LP. The asset manager admitted in the filing that it had raised $10 million, or 50% of the targeted value. The venture is expected to channel the raised funds to blockchain startups and crypto-focused businesses in the coming months. However, the expected value is minimal given the fund's crypto startups gulp in fundraising rounds. Franklin Templeton may likely be testing the SEC's resolve with the venture fund and could go all out if the results are favorable. Okay, so they're saying that they've applied to the SEC, so it's a tiny little fund. Yeah, $20 million, that ain't much, especially for a big asset manager like Franklin Templeton. But that makes sense that they might be testing the SEC's resolve. So they're starting a little fund. If the SEC gives them trouble, they'll forget about it. If the SEC lets them go through with this, well, then it says they'll go balls deep and they'll open bigger ones. So founded in New York in 1947, Franklin Resources is a global investment manager with over 12,000 employees spread over 34 countries. It serves clients in 160 countries and provides mutual fund investment services. It is better known as Franklin Templeton, with over $1.5 trillion worth of assets under management. Franklin Templeton diving deeper into crypto. So Franklin Templeton has a long history with the cryptocurrency industry. In 2019, Franklin Templeton joined forces with cloud-based institutional wallet provider Curve to bolster the security of digital shares in its money market fund. This saw the investment firm use Curve's patented multi-party computation, MPC, to secure its blockchain and connect with the Stellar network. Oh, Stellar was part of that too. Nice. So Franklin Templeton was also a key contributor in the $15 million Series A funding round of digital asset company Amber Data. All right. So the California-based company has also made overtures in establishing a tokenized asset development department, following a job posting advertising for a cryptocurrency research analyst last month. In the LinkedIn post, Franklin Templeton specified that the successful candidate would research the most liquid and tradable crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ether, and others. Also, the research analyst will conduct a market overview on decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, and build out investment strategies for the firm's digital products. So, bang, there you go. Another big name coming to the space. Actually, it said they were kind of already in the space down here, didn't it? It said down here they got in with a Curve. Wow, that's to use their blockchain. But anyways, now here's a fund. They're starting out with a little fund. It's only, how much was it? Yeah, $20 million fund. But like this, what do you call this thing? This article says they might be just testing the waters, just testing the SEC's resolve with the venture fund, and could go all out if the results are favorable. So it's a little test fund, $20 million for Frank and Templeton. That's how much they usually spend on lunch. Guys like that. A $20 million lunch. That'd be pretty awesome. What would you eat? Unicorn? So there it is. Another big name, guys. Another brand name, household name. Bang, bang, coming to the space. All right. Bang. Coinbase exec says institutions want crypto, and it's not all about Bitcoin. And I like this part down here, so let's read the byline. Brett Tejpal, Coinbase's head of institutional sales, says the exchange's clients are experiencing a light bulb on moment right now. Boop. The brains are finally firing up. You know what I mean? They're finally getting it. It's like the light bulb got turned on, right? All right, good. So let's see what they're saying about this. About the light bulb on moment. If you want a sense of just how much investment interest Coinbase is getting from Wall Street these days, look no farther than the company's increasing a planned $1.5 billion debt offering to $2 billion after a flood of investor demand that tallied $7 billion worth of bids. Shit. As a panel on institutional adoption of crypto at Anthony Scaramucci's SALT conference this week, Coinbase head of institutional sales Brett Tejpal gave some insight on what the company is hearing from its institutional clients. The light bulb on moment for institutions is shining bright right now, Tejpal said. And one thing I'll say is it's not all about Bitcoin. Tejpal said he can group the inquiries Coinbase is getting on the institutional side into four main buckets. So the first is simple direct investment in crypto. Around 75% of Coinbase's institutional clients own more than just Bitcoin, Tejpal said. And of that group, some 25% own at least 5 cryptocurrencies. So bang! So it looks like the institutions are actually buying altcoins and other stuff other than just Bitcoin and Ethereum so far. The second inquiry is around business-to-business crypto applications. Firms using Coinbase's pipes and plumbing to enable their end client, Tejpal said. The third bucket is stablecoins. Tokens designed to hold a steady value, which have exploded in number and overall market cap. So that's smart contracts. And I think through the utility function of crypto, beyond and away from speculative investment, Tejpal said. And the last one is what I call future of finance, which is where I'll group in DeFi and NFTs, he concluded. There's a whole surge of interest and enthusiasm from art, sports, everything in NFTs right now. Fuck, NFTs are just so huge. Glenn Barber, head of sales at Copperco, which offers crypto custody services for institutional clients, added quickly to Tejpal's comments. He said, make no mistake about it. Digital assets is the capital markets opportunity of the next generation. Daggone right. And I don't want this to come from someone like us on stage where it's just a bunch of crypto guys and girls trying to shill their product. But this is the new global economy being built as we speak, he said. As investors and financial market participants, I believe you owe it to yourself to do the research and figure this out because the returns are going to be there. Bang! Massive gains, massive ROI, folk. Tejpal called it a mic drop moment. Oh, mic drop comment. Former Binance US CEO Brian Brooks, an ex-regulator who also worked on Coinbase in the past, also pointed to Coinbase's debt offering as evidence of rising demand, but also of the limitations on opportunities right now for investors. Today, most institutions are not willing to hold primary crypto assets. Institutions that are licensed can't participate in DeFi. See, they can't. It's not that they don't want to. They're not allowed to participate in DeFi. They're not allowed to buy a lot of these tokens yet. Got to have that clarity, regulatory clarity. So how do you get exposure if they want to be risk on in crypto? See, they want to be risk on. I've taught you about risk on, risk off. We're not going to get into that now. So how do you get exposure if they want to be risk on in crypto? And the answer is you find a public company and you invest in their debt. That's an exposure to crypto, but it's not actually crypto. So I think the big regulatory question is, how do we actually open up this how do we open this up for real institutional participation in the underlying projects we're all working on? That's the heavy lift for the next year or two. And so, bang, there you go. And so what they mean by that is Coinbase is offering debt right now to gain, they're offering bonds right now to earn capital for expansion. And so a lot of companies want to invest in Coinbase. As you saw, Coinbase was only offering, it was only a planned $1.5 billion offering of their debt. Yeah, they tallied up over $7 billion worth of bids, showing people want in. People want to invest in Coinbase, right? Way more. Coinbase only wanted $1.5 billion. They got $7 billion worth of bids. And so what they're trying to do, what that article was sort of saying at the end there was, market participants, they want in on crypto, but they're not allowed to buy like the DeFi thing, right? They're not allowed to get into DeFi themselves. So they invest in a company that is in DeFi. So you get sort of an indirect exposure to the market, right? Which is the best they can do for now, right? They're not allowed to get into DeFi, for real, right? So, but it just shows you the hunger. I mean, Coinbase only wanted to raise $1.5 billion, $7 billion came in. And so that's great. That shows you the hunger of the market, the hunger of the institutions that want into this space big time. And they're going to do whatever they can to get a piece. If they can't buy directly, fuck it. I'll invest in a company that is into crypto, right? Which would be Coinbase in this example. So great for us, great for the multiverse. All right, let's get to shout outs. Bang! What we got here? Ty Scott followed me. All right, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang! Beautiful brawlies. Beautiful brawlies. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang! Abundantly me. Love you, brother. See you, brother. And the kid. Bang! 007, son of a bitch. Bang! 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 Got you, Ronkaz. Son of a bitch. Haha. Got you again, Ronkaz. Love you, brother. See you, brother. No savior. Bang! Bit him. Connecting the dots. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang! Sunny B. Spy lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. The assassin. Bang! Bitcoin Kong. Wow! Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang! Look. Van Breenen. Yeah, we're just going to do that. Van Breenen and Kitty Van Breenen. Yes, brothers. Love you guys. See you guys. Bang. Yes. Van Breenen and Kitty Breenen. What are you talking about here? What's he talking about? Turkish president announces war against crypto. Of course, have you seen the Turkish lira? Talking about shit. Talking about shit coins to have. No doubt, brother. No doubt. Recep Tayyip Erdogan. That's the president of Turkey. He's basically run their fucking country into the ground in the past, about 4 or 5 years now. He's basically fucked up the whole place. His finance minister was his daughter's husband. Yeah, that didn't work out well. He wasn't qualified to do that at all. And so it's a shithole. And now he wants to protect against crypto. I told you about this. I told you about 5 years ago, right? When the lira started falling. We, Forex traders, if you're new to this channel, I'm a Forex trader. So I trade currencies. And so I trade the lira sometimes. Yeah, we were murdering it. We were shorting it. And Erdogan, the president of Turkey, he got on TV and he started complaining. He said that it was a conspiracy of the Forex traders conspiring against Turkey to bring down their lira. That's the name of their money, the Turkish lira. Yeah, he said it was a conspiracy. Yeah. No, it wasn't a conspiracy. Your fucking son-in-law doesn't know how to run a fucking central bank, and so you got beat down, buddy. That's all that was. So that was pretty funny. That was about 5 years ago. Anyways, Sand Heaven. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Look. Here's some Biggie Wiggy Hip. Bitcoin Kong. Cbnews. Greatest show in the multiverse. Look, brothers. You two miscreants. Tell them, Kong. Look. Boom. UK post offices allow us Bitcoin purchases. Boom. Franklin Templeton eyes crypto. Boom. Coinbase says institutions want more than Bitcoin. Boom. And if you follow this channel and do what's right, your portfolio is going to look like boom. Just like that. Just like that. You daggone right. All right. Bang. What do we got here? Traditionally bullish. Oh, technically bullish. My bad. Lever for the C, brother. Bang. DP Entertainment. So, brother. Lever for the C, brother. Bang. Robbie Hardaway, he's been with us so long. His picture's in black and white. Lever for the C, brother. Bang. Andrew Petrata, the enforcer. Look, what are you trying to sell there, fuckstick? Settle down. Hodl. The juice is worth the squeeze. You tell him, Andrew. Lever for the C, brother. Bang. Roy Stoke. Lever for the C, brother. Bang. Miguel G. started his crypto account just to follow me. Lever by the C, brother. Bang. All right, that's everybody. Let's get back to the Death Star. All right. Look, so, quickie. How long was that show? All right, that's quick as shit. All right, good. Yeah, it's nice. Sometimes that's how it works. All right, so we had a great show for you today. You know, it's the Saturday show, so it's a little bit different. And so, first story we talked about was the U.S. Post Office allowing people to buy crypto through their app. And so I just thought that was kind of neat. I also thought it was a little bit strange. What the fuck is a post office selling crypto for? You know, I was just like, what? At first I just thought, anyways, I kind of thought this has got to be bullshit or something. But no, it's all too true. And of course, they're using a German, it's a German company. Of course. And it says the post office isn't making commissions, but that the company that, I don't remember the name of it, but the company that actually lets the purchases happen is paying the post office because the post office has this digital identity thing. And so, you know, I guess obviously it's FATF compliant, Financial Action Task Force compliant, because you already have the ID of the people. So that's your KYC right there. And then the UK is like, all right, well, you pay us and we'll let people buy us stuff, buy crypto, Bitcoin at least so far, through the post office. And so, it's kind of interesting. Just like, what the hell? The hell is post office offering crypto for? So great, UK hodlers, buy. You know, I mean, the more places people can buy, the better, man. Daggone. All right. And then Franklin Templeton. Now we get more serious. Franklin Templeton, $1.5 trillion asset manager, eyes crypto. And so, bang. Yes, indeed. And so I like that. It's only a $20 million fund. And like the article said, they want to test the waters. You know, they want to, you know, just a little fund, see what the SEC says, if anything. And then, you know, obviously if they get trouble from SEC, they'll, all right, we'll shut it down. But if the SEC lets it rock and roll, let's make a bigger one next time even. So it's a test case, but the point being is for us, like why we care is, well, it's a $1.5 trillion asset manager. Like I told you, Franklin Templeton's up there with the, you know, with the Fidelities of the world. You know, anything over $1 trillion for an asset manager, that's the big boy leagues, right? And so this is 1.5 trillion under management and, you know, household name, brand name. You know, they're heavy into mutual funds. And so you can obviously see that if the SEC allows this, I mean, yeah, there's going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum mutual funds big time, especially coming out of Franklin Templeton. So it's good to watch. Good to, well, it's not just good to watch. It's good that it's happening. So, all right, crypto hodlers, bang. And then finally, Coinbase institutions want more than Bitcoin. And so I like the way he said it. Yeah, my nose, I got a rogue nose hair. The guy, the CEO there, or the guy from Coinbase, he said, it's the light bulbs going on moment, right? You know, they're finally getting it. Like, wait a minute. There's more to this whole Bitcoin thing than just Bitcoin, right? There's blockchains, right? And that was pretty interesting. He said they were asking about DeFi. They were asking about stablecoins. What else? Two more. They were asking how to buy it vanilla, like just to buy it and hodl it themselves. And then something else. I don't remember what it was. But yeah, so that's great news. Like I said, people have to start realizing, stop thinking of Bitcoin, right? Stop thinking of just currency, cryptocurrency. Look at the underlying tech. It's called blockchain. And start looking at these blockchain services providers. These companies that provide blockchain as a service, blockchain services, VeChain, IOTA, Stellar, Chainlink, Polygon, all the brand name, all the good ones, that make money, start wising up. It's not just about this wannabe money shit. It's real viable business. I mean, let's get real. It's just the next level of tech. That's all. And so it's good that the companies, the institutions are getting a lights on moment. What did he say? He said 24% of the clients already owned, right? It said 5 cryptos or more, right? Or up to 5 cryptos. I can't remember if it was 5 or more or up to 5. But anyways, multiple cryptos. So more than just Bitcoin or Ethereum, right? And so great news, great news. That's what's happening behind the scenes. Institutions positioning themselves, getting ready. Right? Like the article said, they want in, but they can't. So, like, for instance, DeFi, they're not allowed in there yet. And so, they invest in a company that is sort of connected to DeFi, right? Right? You can't buy the DeFi coin itself, but you could, buy a company that's offering DeFi or something like that, right? So, anyways, you guys get the point. And so, great. That's what's happening behind the scenes. Like I told you, keep the faith. Institutions are coming. All we need is one thing, regulatory clarity. And that's coming soon. So, on that note, let's shill it. Bang. Let's kill it. Bang. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below and press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. I love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So, thank you for having me home. And I'll see you all Tuesday for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. But until then, watch that video there. Bang. Oh, sorry. Subscribe here and press that bell so that you get notified when the greatness arrives for every show. And then watch that show there. Some greatness. And I'll see you all tomorrow. So, guys, I'm always watching our money. Have a great weekend. And more importantly, bang, I'm always on duty. See you guys next time. Over and out.